Years, we've been using the App Store and iTunes. Now they excel at allowing us to browse large amounts of content, and this is done through horizontal scrolling. Now Horizon does exactly that, but with your favorite stack content. This is great for products, posts, and more. Create beautiful horizontal galleries. Just drag and drop any image into Horizon, and it will auto-scale that image so that all images match up perfectly. Now, what else can Horizon do? Let's check it out. Now, I forgot to mention that Horizon integrates directly with Total CMS. This allows you to dynamically import your favorite galleries, blog lists, and blog galleries directly into Horizon. It's super easy. So add some fun to your website and pick up a copy of Horizon today. I think you're gonna love it.
Good girl, Bella. So good, Bella. And Tyrone, too. So good. So good, boy. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, yes. So good, so good, so good. It's a good girl.